What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another freaking video. So today's video is a review on this wig that I have on right now. I pulled up the website where I got it from, so I'm going to read everything about the wig for you guys. Just let y'all know my overall thoughts about it. I'm pretty sure that almost everyone, if not everyone, has heard of AliExpress.com. If you have not, you have got to go check it out. AliExpress has everything from weave, wigs, clothes, shoes, handbags, stuff you need for your house, home decor, kitchen decor, cooking utensils, pots, pans, everything. They got stuff galore, and it's all for very, very affordable and reasonable prices. But yes, I got this wig from AliExpress.com, and the vendor is called EVAHAIR. This is their curly Brazilian Remy lace frontal wig. It is a pre-plucked wig with baby hair. Pre-plucked meaning that they just made the hairline look a bit more realistic. Now the hairline did not look like this. The hairline was pre-plucked, but I went back in and plucked it a little bit more to my liking, or to how I like it to look on my hair. Now this was my very first time installing my own lace frontal wig. Now I've had one before, but I didn't install it. This is my first install, and I have to say that I do really like it, and I will be trying it again. I have the 20-inch. Now their lengths go from 10 inches to 26 inches, and in price that is $48 to $166 depending on what length you get. So the 20 inches was $119 and some coins. I don't know for sure, but I have the amount right here somewhere for you guys. It is free shipping to the US, and it comes DHL. Let me just say, the seller was a freaking one, okay? He messaged me every step of the freaking way. He messaged me when my payment went through. He messaged me when it was processing, being ready to be shipped out. He messaged me when it was shipped out, and he messaged me when it was delivered before I even knew that it was delivered. Thumbs up to the seller. He was freaking amazing. Somebody in my house threw away the freaking box that the wig came in. I ain't gonna say who it was because we ain't being pettywop today. I'll just insert the picture of everything that came in the box right here for you guys to see it. There has been 936 orders, and 5,498 people has placed this wig on their wish list to buy. Now, opening the hair. The hair came in a net, a black fishnet like they normally do, in a Ziploc baggie like they normally do. The hair smelled really good. The hair texture was really soft, and this is deep wave, so that when you wet it, it just... Today is Friday. You guys will be seeing this video tomorrow on Saturday. I installed this hair on Thursday. In between bleaching, washing, conditioning, and washing again, and letting it air dry, it's a little bit more coarser than what it was when I first pulled it out of the package, but it's still soft, if that makes sense. It is more tangly. I don't know if y'all can see that. It is a bit more tangly than it was. You have to keep in mind, when you start manipulating the hair so much and you bleach it and you wash it and do all this stuff to it, it's most likely gonna tangle. Now you have some hair that doesn't tangle as fast or as often as this hair would, but all hair tangles. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care how much you pay on some hair, all hair tangles. If my real hair on my head tangles, or Sally Jo hair on her head is, you know, the finest of the finest, everybody's hair tangles. Everybody's. So there's no such thing as tangle-free hair. I use the stocking cap method to install it. If you guys would like to see what that is, please let me know down in the comment section down below. As far as molding down everything and making sure everything was secure, I used Got To Be Ultra Glue. I also have the Got To Be Super Glued in the yellow bottle, but I just used this one this time, and I have to say it is still on really good, in which it's not gonna go anywhere. After all the manipulation that I did to this lace frontal, I took some coconut milk oil and I placed it on the hair. Now the seller, he's going to give you specific instructions on how to take care of the hair, and he says light essential oils, meaning grapeseed oil, almond oil, olive oil, coconut milk oil, jojoba oil, etc. But make sure that it's not heavy, because you don't want to weigh the hair down. Too much product in the hair is going to weigh it down. It's going to get old faster. It's going to get gunky. Then you're going to have to end up washing it much more often to try and get some of the oils out of it. Use a very light hand when placing product into any weave. Once received, the seller will give you 10% off a future purchase as long as you give feedback. That's all you have to do, is give feedback to the seller. Let him know that you received it. Let him know your thoughts on the wig. Let him know how you feel about the wig, and you will get 10% off your next purchase with him. Ain't that crazy? Now, it doesn't specify the density of the wig. I feel like it has a density of 150. Normally you see wigs have a density of about 200 or 250. The density just simply means how much hair is on the wig. So as you guys can see, it has a good bit of hair, and it's quite full, but it's not as full as it could be, or as full as a 250 density wig would be. Today I decided to go ahead and see how this hair does when straightening it. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys. I have this wide tooth comb to comb through it, because even though it's a wig, you don't want to break the hairs. You don't want to pull out the hairs any more than what they are going to come out. Shedding is normal. If it starts to shed an enormous amount, then you have a problem. But little shedding here and there is not a big deal at all. I have a clip, a ponytail holder. We're going to start by sectioning the hair. And be very, very gentle with any kind of weave that you have in your hair. Because believe it or not, the rougher you are with weave, or the rougher you are with your hair extensions, determines on how long your hair is going to last. So have a very gentle hand. The flat irons I'm using are these Conair Infinity Pro flat irons. These are amazing. And I don't flat iron my hair. My hair is natural. I don't flat iron my hair much at all, but for my weaves, while the flat iron is warming up, I'm going to go ahead and comb out the sections starting from tips to roots. This is how you would do your normal hair, so this is how you would want to do your extensions. So this is what it looks like once passing it through a couple of times. A couple of times meaning like 3 or 4, when you normally supposed to just pass it through like once or twice. And it still has a little crimp to it. So let's see. So it goes straight, but it's not like bone straight. And just like you would do your normal hair, you want to go ahead and spray a heat protectant over your extensions. But because I ain't got no more, and I wanted to put this video for y'all, we just going with it. So I'm not gonna keep going over this section because I don't want the hair to start breaking and shedding and stuff. So this is as straight as I'm gonna get it for you guys. Okay, this is this first section complete. Very nice, very silky. It still has the same shine as it did at first, which is A1. It doesn't look dry. So I'm just gonna continue up until I get to the top of my head, and then I'll come back and finish off with you guys. I'm pretty much done with my whole head now. I just left this section out for you guys to see the rest of the process. And let's do it. I really don't like how you have to go 3, 4, 5 swipes for it to get straightened. Because just like our regular hair, human hair weaves, you need heat protectants and it needs to stay moisturized or the hair will break. That's how hair starts shedding and stuff, as y'all can see. This is, I don't know if y'all can see that up there. Considering I've just done my whole head, that's not a lot of hair that's came out of this wig at all, so the shedding is not bad. So the hair kept its shine, like I said. The softness is still there, and of course it's being pressed out even more. So it's not as coarse as it was. It is a bit softer than what it was because it's being pressed. I don't know. I don't know how to feel. Like, it's straight, but it ain't straight. And I didn't mention that I'm flat ironing the hair on 20. This flat iron goes all the way up to 30. I did try a piece of the hair at 30 at its hottest heat, and it was alright. I'm already skeptical when having the heat up all the way. I don't even flat iron my own hair on the heat all the way up. And that's a no-no. That's a no-no. It did alright. It scared me, so I turned it back down to 20, and this is what it came out as. So I'm just gonna do a quick little curl, a little bump in this hair just to show you guys how it curls. So there is the curl, le curl. So it holds a nice curl. So yeah, this is probably a wig I will keep curly instead of wearing straight, because again, the way it straightens out is not the best. But what I'm gonna do right fast is go off camera and wet the hair to get the curls back, just to show you guys how it reverts. So this is just a bottle with just water in it. I'm just showing you guys how the wig reverts back into its curls. It took no time at all for it to revert back to its original state. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed that it doesn't straighten, but the curls are nice, the hair is soft, so I really can't complain about it. Tell me what you guys think down in the comment section below, as well as if I was doing something wrong, the reason why it wasn't straightening. And don't forget to like this video as well as subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Love you so much.